Hello students, in this video we will discuss about tangents. What is the tangent? What is the tangent? Word means touching or touch a line to the circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O and one line which is touches this circle to one and only one point AB, and this point is denoted by P. Then AB line is known as tangent, means this line will be tangent. If this line touches or intersect to the circle at two or more points, then this will be not tangent. Now, in this topic, we will take one important theorem, which is the first theorem of this topic, Theorem 1. The state of this theorem is line joining the common point of tangent and circle, that is point of contact to the center of circle. Then tangent will be perpendicular to its radius. Or in other words, we can say that if a radius drawn from contact point of tangent, then that tangent will be perpendicular to the radius. Given here, this is a circle with center O and AB is a tangent. AB is a tangent and C is the point of contact. Those points which is the common of circle and tangent, this point is known as point of contact. Suppose join OC. Prove that in this concept OC is perpendicular to AB. To prove OC perpendicular to AB. Now write here, given a circle with center O and AB is a tangent. To prove OC perpendicular AB. Construction. We take another point Q other than C. Take a point Q on tangent AB other than common point C and join it to O. Here join O to Q. How to prove it? Since C is common point, therefore OC equal to radius of circle. Since Q is another point and it is outer of circle, that is, there is no common point. No common point. This OQ intersect the circle to R. Therefore, OR equal to OC equal to radius. Since OQ equal to OR plus RQ, that is, it gives an result OQ is greater than OR, that is, OQ is greater than OC, because OR is equal to OC here, both are the radius. Therefore, Q is not common point. That is, OQ is not radius. Since OC is less than OQ, therefore all points other than C is greater than OC, are greater than OC. Therefore, OC is smallest. Since we know that perpendicular or altitude is the smallest distance, therefore OC will be perpendicular to AB. That means our conclusion is line joining the center of circle to the contact point of tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. Thus, this concept has proved. Now, consequently, we can say that converse of this concept means converse of theorem. Concept of this theorem is line joining the center of circle to the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Now, conversely, we can say that if a line which touch the circle at one and only one point, and it is perpendicular to the radius, then that line will be tangent of that circle. This concept is known as converse of this theorem.